Hello and welcome to Vamman Cook. Today we are making Kunefe On Charcoals, a delicious and slightly daring dessert. Now, here is the twist. It's all about adapting to the size of your unique baking dish. Baking a dessert on charcoals isn't easy, so stick around till the end where we will also share how to bake it in your oven. You will need to grate some pistachios, shred the phyllo dough, you can keep the rest in your refrigerator. Spread some phyllo dough on the bottom. For the cheese, we used mozzarella. The most commonly used cheese for kunefe is Akawi. Spread some phyllo dough to cover the cheese. If you enjoy cooking and want to discover new recipes and tips every week, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment about what you would like to see next. For the syrup, simply combine an equal amount of water and sugar. Bring it to a boil until the sugar completely dissolves. Now, if you want to bake the kunefe in your oven, all you have to do is brush the bottom and top layer of the phyllo dough with melted butter. Bake in a preheated oven at 190 Celsius until the top is golden brown. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more sweet and salty recipes.